कक्षा 11 की ओर से Ang puylaw ng Lord mas kami ang harong ka. Honorable Principal, Honorable Teachers, Parents, EMs, MDCs, Leaders, ang basic of Sakla, इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम हुआ है आज. I don't want to talk too much. Father, first of all, can I start by saying that the biggest clap, tali, should be for everyone, all the students who are here. It's very nice, बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के कि आपकी प्रासा boys and girls, they have not only highlighted our Iprasa culture, they have also performed Punjabi dance, they have performed dance from Gujarat, Rajasthan. लेकिन फादर मेरा एक सवाल है, वो दिन कब आएगा जब कोई राजस्थान से, कोई पंजाब से, कोई बंगाल से, कोई गुजरात से हमारा दरिया, हमारा संगमा, हमारा भौजागिरी, हमारा इप्रासा डांस करेगा. उस दिन, जिस दिन दे विल डू हमारा कल्चर, मुझे भी लगेगा कि रिस्पेक्ट दोनों तरफ से हो रहा है. रिस्पेक्ट सिर्फ हम लोगों को नहीं देना चाहिए, हमारा जाति को भी इज्जत मिलना चाहिए. और कितने खूबसूरती से boys and girls सिकली have done this, really wonderful. एक दिन मैं भी देखना चाहता हूँ कि कोई पंजाबी हमारा करिया डांस करे, तब मैं बोलूँगा कि हमने आपका कल्चर को, आपका आइडेंटिटी को, आपका इतिहास को इज्जत दिया. आप भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट, वी आर फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट, वी आर Iprasa people, you should also learn about us. To all the teachers here, you all are from outside, some are local, and I appreciate you because I myself have studied in North East, in St. Edmund's School, St. Anthony's College. लेकिन I have always had, मेरे दिल में एक दर्द हमेशा रहा. While we learn about Quit India movement, we learn about Tamil Nadu, we learn about the Aryans, we learn about the Mughals, we learn about the British. In our school books, whether it is ICSE, whether it is CBSE, not even one chapter is on the Iprasa people or on the Northeastern people. We are also Indians, लेकिन हमारा इतिहास को कहीं भी नहीं सिखाया जाता है. लेकिन हमको सीखना पड़ता है मुगल ने क्या किया, अंग्रेज ने क्या किया, वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 में क्या हुआ, साउथ इंडिया में क्या हुआ. लेकिन हमारा जो पुराना इतिहास है, हमारा जो कल्चर है, it has never been appreciated in the national curriculum. I think the time has come for all of us to also speak about our history, our identity. Coming back to Montfort, एक कहानी है, many of you all don't know, आप लोगों को मालूम भी नहीं होगा. आज से almost 27 years ago, Father, there was a small boy in Montfort, and that's the first time I found out about Montfort. He was a boy, छोटा सा जवान लड़का था, maybe 14 years old. Montfort had thrown him out, so he came to Shillong. I was also very young, maybe बहुत जवानी थी. I sponsored his education in St. Anthony's College. And today, that boy from Montfort is professor in the Tripura Central University, Sunil Paloi. The first time, जिंदगी में पहली बार मैंने कोई टिप्रासा को अपने पॉकेट से पैसा दिया था, वो लड़का को दिया था जिसको शिलोंग में पढ़ने के लिए पैसा नहीं था। उस समय मैंने उसको 25,000 रुपये दिए। आज वो लड़का त्रिपुरा सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी में प्रोफेसर बन गए हैं। इट इज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू द टिप्रासा पीपल दैट हम वी वर टुगेदर, पहले भी था, आज भी है, आगे भी रहेंगे। To all of you all here, आप लोग यहाँ में जो है, यहाँ में all my secular cities, you are the future. You are the future of Tripura. और अगर कल कोई आपको बोले कॉकबोरक बांग्ला में लिखो, नहीं लिखना। We will write in our language that we want to write. चीनी सेकला रॉक से चीनी भविष्य, चीनी सेकला रॉक से चीनी भविष्य, चुप के बनी कलम बन गया। We are proud Tiprasas. We are proud Tiprasas. और किसी से डरो मत। आपका जो अधिकार है, your right will be achieved if there is Khansa. अंके बोली क्रिया, आप भी डरो मत। We as Tiprasa people, यहाँ में हो, कहीं में भी हो, as Tiprasa people, as people of Northeast, हमको भी अधिकार है बोलने के लिए कि हमको क्या चाहिए और क्या नहीं चाहिए। तो कोई अगर आपको कल आकर कुछ बोले, ये आपका चॉइस है, दिस इज योर चॉइस। कोई आपको बोल नहीं सकता है क्या सही है क्या गलत है। नुमसाई मानो सबो कहाम सबो हमिया। Father, I will not make a long speech. All I want to say is, यहाँ में खांसा है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? देखो, एक उंगली लो, वन फिंगर, ऐसा एक हाथ करो, ऐसा करो, दो उंगली लो, तीन उंगली लो, चार, पांच। If we fight as Deparma, एक उंगली. If we fight as Blue, two unglies. If we fight as Jamatya, three. If we fight as Monsum, four. If we fight as Tiprasa, there's Thamsa, sound बढ़ता है। ये मैसेज है, यूनाइटेड वी स्टैंड, डिवाइडेड वी विल लूज। और माय नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जेन ज़ी, आप लोग नहीं हारेगा। यू विल नेवर लूज, यू विल नेवर लूज। यू नो व्हाई? आपका बुबाबरा आपके साथ खड़ा है, आपको कभी हारने नहीं देगा। टू ऑल द टीचर्स, यहाँ में जो टीचर्स है, फैकल्टीज है, आई रिस्पेक्ट यू सिस्टर्स, आई रिस्पेक्ट यू। You know why I respect you? Because your family is a student. You know, Father, why I respect you? You are coming from Kerala and you are teaching our students to be better people. I respect you. And if there are some people who will judge you because of your religion, there are some people who will judge you because you look different from rest of India. There are some people who want to divide us. Let us take a promise. New year is coming. 2026 आ रहा है। प्रॉमिस करो कि हमको कोई डिवाइड नहीं कर सकता in the name of religion. those enemies are scared of us. You know why they are scared? They are scared of our unity. They are scared of our tansa. That's why they want to divide us. In the name of script, Bangla script, Kokborok, Kaupur, Devnagari, divide. In the name of religion, Hindu, Christian, Buddhist, divide. In the name of community, Deparma, Chamatya, Riyang, Monsong, Kaipeng, Tripura, Murasing, Mog, divide. Rupini, divide. लेकिन don't be divided. हमारा एक ही ताकत है. हमारा ताकत है. Our power lies in the unity and the future of our next generation. क्योंकि we were not united, क्योंकि हम लोग divided थे, आज अपना ही हानि पुसा, तिप्रासा, तिप्राचा, आज second class citizen हो चुका है. लेकिन if we can unite for our children, if we can unite for our secular sikhi, for our young children, अगर आज हम लोग एक हो गए, मेरा next generation त्रिपुरा में आगे जाएगा और यहाँ का शासन भी अपना होगा. चीनी हाथ, चीनी नाइक और अपना. My name is Pradyot Vikram Manikya and I am a proud Tiprasa. ये कोई मुझसे नहीं ले जा सकता है. I'm a Pura Tiprasa, Puran Bubagra. And Montfort, from Montfort, I'm saying this to all of you. आप लोग बुबागरा के साथ है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? यहाँ से है कि नहीं? अगर आप मेरे साथ है ना, कोई भी बुबागरा को छू नहीं सकता, हरा नहीं सकता, क्योंकि बुबागरा अपना लिए फाइट नहीं कर रहा है. I am not fighting for myself. मैं अपने लिए फाइट नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मुझे रंग पैसा नहीं चाहिए, मुझे जगह नहीं चाहिए. मैं अपना नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, अपना तिप्रासा, अपना सेक्रा सेक्ली के लिए फाइट कर रहा हूँ. Father, once again, Belai no Hambai, Father, for inviting me. I am very happy that you invited me, and I promise you, I will always help Montfort School, whether I am in power or not in power, or my capacity available. आपने मेरे लोगों को हेल्प किया. You help Tiprasa as Bubagra. I will always help Montfort for helping my people. And in the end, to all parents, जो parents हैं, प्लीज एक चीज समझो. ये आपके बारे में नहीं है, आपके बच्चे के बारे में. दिस इज अबाउट योर चिल्ड्रन. आपका टाइम गया, मेरा टाइम भी गया, लेकिन अगर इनको हमने अच्छा भविष्य दिया तो सिर्फ आप नहीं, हमारा पूरा दोहा आगे बढ़ेगा. एंड इसके लिए मैं पेरेंट्स को बोलता हूँ, अपना स्वार्थ मत देखो, अपना बच्चा का भविष्य देखो. आपने कष्ट खाया, आप गरीबी देखा, आपके खिलाफ नाइंसाफी हुआ. आई सीन इट. लेकिन ये जो आपका कष्ट था, ये आपका बच्चा को नहीं होना चाहिए. इसके लिए tansa is very important. Belai no Hambai, and I love you all. I love you. Amna no Hamjago. And I will always love you. और ये जो अपना रिलेशनशिप है ना, ये खून का है. हम तुई उनका त्रिपुरा हनी बगोई. We are Tiprasas. I love you and I will always be with you. Belai no Hambai, Kulukha. Montfort School ay Klopko. Dalay na hanggang.
Thank you, sir, for your words of motivation and inspiration. And you also made us proud by your kind presence to this institution. I also take this opportunity and request our chief guest to felicitate a few of our friends of this institution for their excellence in the field of art and culture. May I invite Miss Veronica Jamatia and Miss Katrina De Burma, who secured first position for storytelling, and Master Francis Lalrang Inpuya, who secured third position for poetry writing in the state-level Kalahotsav events, which were held recently. Thank you, sir. Thank you, brother. As the magnificent day draws to a close, it's time to express our heartfelt gratitude. We thank our chief guests, distinguished guests, principals, teachers, parents, and all our talented students. May I request our SPM, Master Direct Department, to kindly come forward and deliver the formal vote of thanks.
Respected chief guest, Bupakra, Brother Bikram Manikya Department, special guest, Srimati Donoria, Honorable EN, Social Welfare, TTA ADC, Mr. Ganesh Department, MDC, Brother Principal, Brother Vice Principal, Coordinator, brothers, sisters, distinguished members of the staff, dear Mossad members, parents, and my dear all-Montfortians, a very warm good afternoon to each and everyone present here. I, Dayang Department, on behalf of the entire school, deem it a great honor to propose a vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. At the very outset, I humbly offer my sincere thanks to the Almighty God for His divine blessings, guidance, and grace, which enabled the successful conduct of this program. I extend my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Bupakra, for graciously accepting our invitation and for inspiring words shared with us. Your presence has added immense value to this occasion. I express my sincere thanks to our special guest, Srimati Donoria, Honorable EM, Social Welfare, TTA ADC. Your presence means a lot to us, and we hope you enjoy this wonderful celebration with us today. I place on record my sincere appreciation to our respected Brother Principal and Vice Principal for their visionary leadership, constant guidance, and unwavering support, without which this event would not have been possible. I sincerely thank our honorable parents for their trust, encouragement, and their presence in all our school undertakings. My appreciation is extended to the organizing committee for their careful planning and dedicated efforts in making this program a grand success. I thank our teaching staff for their guidance, not just in classrooms, but in everything we do. Also the non-teaching staff for their valuable support in doing behind-the-scenes work. I appreciate the efforts and talents of all the students for their enthusiastic participation and discipline. Your patience and energy are what makes our school so vibrant. I convey my special thanks to the volunteers, our class 12 students, for their commitment and selfless service in ensuring the smooth conduct of this event. In conclusion, I extend my best wishes to all for an advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2026. Thank you. Kambai.
Thank you, Dayal, for your words of gratitude. We now conclude this wonderful day by singing our school anthem together. May I request everyone to please rise for the school anthem. Let us all sing together in unison.
School, attention!
I request all the Tasikam player. I request the Tasikam player to please report near the auditorium. All the Tasikam players, please report near the auditorium. All the Tasikam player, please report near the auditorium. I request the students from 6 to 12 before you leave. After all the parents leave the auditorium, we will take back the benches to the class. I request all the students from 6 to 12 kindly remain back. 6 to 12 kindly remain back. Once the auditorium is free, we will carry back the benches.
Staff of Hanford School, you are requested to come up the stage. All the staff of Hanford School, we will be having a daily week of teachers of Hanford School, please come on the stage. Photo will be taken with our chief guest. Dear teachers, please move fast. Students from 6 to 12, you are requested to take your bench back to your own classrooms. All the students, 6 class 6 to class 12, you are requested
다